Santaco Association, the tax association in the province. Mr. Mtshala, I would like to commend you as the taxi image company for the good work that you are doing with the border Kai. Now, can you be able to elaborate what is the association and the collaboration together with the business of the province?
I would say, honestly, before the incident of violence and looting, we did not have a relationship with border Kai Chamber of Trade. We didn't know each other, but ever since the incident of violence, we found each other, we met in meetings, the town meetings that we had with the Premier and the MEC of Transport, and also the media shows that we're taking like this morning and this afternoon. And we are hoping as the industry from now onwards there will be going forward a good relationship between the taxi industry and the business in the Buffalo City and the border in general.
Oh, that's quite a mouthful, Mr. Mtshala. Now, with the model that you've started after the violence, because you're saying you found each other. Now, the model, would it be something that you can be able to package together and take it to other provinces to follow suit?
Yes, but since Santaco EC issued a statement in terms of protecting business and properties, most provinces and associations throughout the country started joining in and standing firm to defend their own areas ever since we started that. So I think going forward, all the associations in the country, together with local businesses, must start forming up like business forums where they will be able to share concerns, information, and everything else that deals with their operations, day-to-day operations. And even with us locally in the province and in Buffalo City in particular, from now onwards we'll be working closely with the local business to share concerns, frustrations, and everything else that is affecting us.
And how can the communities, looking at the taxi industry, looking at the business side, now you all both dependent on each other, and like there's the community that is the major role player in all of this. Now, how will you be able to involve the communities in being part of this collaboration?
In my personal view and opinion, the communities are represented by community representatives, your councillors, your community leaders, your church leaders, and everyone else. And forming this sort of business forums, I think that's where the communities are also represented. In the past, as a taxi industry, we were not represented in all these structures. So from now going forward, I think we are going to claim our space in such aspects and forums. So the thing that we want to say even to the communities is that they must also identify people who can represent them in those kind of structures and forums. Fortunately for the communities, they do have existing people, but my opinion and my view or my perception is that everyone out there in communities, they've got this tendency of thinking that councillors and community leaders are only there to represent them politically. And yet there are also other aspects in life besides the politics where people need to get attention and service. Yes.
Thereby, you've heard people perhaps have said a mouthful. Communities, it is your responsibility, it's our livelihood. The taxi industry is there to be able to assist you. The business side is there to assist you, and the community is there to assist all these industries. So a collaboration of this nature needs all of us to get involved and play our role. Now it's time, as perhaps is saying, it's time now to stop saying that like community leader is only responsible for the political side of it. Is only responsible for all the aspects of our livelihoods, as we've seen the collaboration that has happened in the Eastern Cape. So this is us shooting live from the Cubidolls at Vincent Park, here with the Santaco representative, Mr. Gabs Mtshala, and at Cubidolls. Thank you.